What's up guys, Slixy here, one of the leaders in Team Hydro. Today, if you don't like and subscribe to Team Hydro, the next 5 seconds you'll hear this when you're trying to go to sleep.
Final sing, they go, sing, 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 sing,
So I was thinking, for Team Hydro's YouTube, we should do a really interesting video. Not something that normal teams do. So I was talking to YouTube Echo right here on Discord. And I was thinking about, we should do a grinder video. So I'm like, okay, let me get 2 of the most active grinders, some grinders that I actually play with to help them improve, and let's make them 1v1. So this is what happened. Hope you enjoy the video.
That's alright.
So right now, guys, Cyron is up 2-0. For some reason, my recording keeps bugging out, but Cyron's up 2-0, like I just said. He is on console right now, playing on keyboard. He is a really good mechanical player, and Psycho is a controller player on Nintendo Switch. So obviously Psycho's probably at a little bit of a disadvantage with software. Cyron just getting those tags in. Psycho's probably really low. Cyron might want to drop down here, or Anonymous, but right now we're watching Cyron. So for some reason the first 2 rounds didn't record. I'm not sure what is happening with my recording, but it's bugging out like crazy. But we're going in a box fight, so y'all won't miss too much. Get some of these things. Oh, the 10 tag, he is so low. I think Cyron might have the the build fights in the bag. Oh, GG guys, let's go in the box fight now. Psycho is gonna have the advantage in this because he's on controller, obviously. And yeah, first to 5, since it's box size. So, as you guys see, Psycho controller, Cyron not controller, keyboard on console. And yeah, I think, ooh, the 100 tag. Nice 90. Oh, he's gonna exploit. Ooh, the nice. Oh, he knows he's low. Both of them are really low right now, but Cyron's gonna have the heal advantage. Oh, that's unfortunate. Psycho can clutch it up with his big controller pumps, you know? Cyron's running back. Cyron wants to get those peaks. I'm not sure if he knows where he is. He doesn't know where he is, but I can see him. He's on Nintendo Switch, so his graphics might not be the best. He doesn't know. Oh my god. Now, Cyron might not want to get too off guard. Ooh, he took the wall. Ah, nice protection, nice block. Takes an edit out. Trying to go down, do some tunnels. He's playing really defensive right now. He doesn't really like choice, but he's so low. Ooh, the nice 70. Ooh, correct. Oh, I love box fights so much more. There's so. Ooh, the 30. Oh my god, if Psycho wins this, he's a clutch king. Oh my god, his aim so cracked. Ooh, oh, Psycho's in a weird position. Oh my god, Psycho with the clutch. First to 5, guys, just remember. At the wall. Oh, yes. He's boxed like a fish. Boxed like a fish. What did he go? Ah, nice pumps. Nice pumps. GG's. So now we're going to be watching Siron now since he killed him. Just keep in mind, it's not 3-1, it's 2-1 because the first round was our practice round. So now we're watching Siron. Siron is more on the mechanical side, and Psycho's more on the aim side. So now we're going to see the mechanics. He really wants to get in this box, but he's not doing the exploit right. Aw. Did he get it? Oh, he got it. Oh, Siron blanked. Woohoo! GG. Remember, 3-1, not 4-1. First round was practice. Oh my god, Psycho with the nasty piece control, the pumps, and everything. Guys, if Psycho clutches this win, gets the win, we go to realistics. Just keep in mind. Psycho, you got him in a trap. Controller. Nice fish. Clutch fish. Oh! So close. Oh my god. You guys are like neck and neck. Dang. GG's. It's not over yet, though. We are now watching Siron again. Oh, the nice 30. Ooh, the nice 35 again. Ooh, Siron's about to get in. Siron wants to get in. He wants to get in. Oh, Psycho disengaging. Aw. Back to the peaks again. I thought it was about to go down there, not gonna lie. Ooh, dang. Siron... Not Siron. Psycho with the good angles, though, not gonna lie. His angles are really, really clean. Oh, he's on the other side. Trying to disengage, get maybe some AR tags in there again. Oh, he didn't have his pump out. That's unlucky. Oh, he's going in. He's going in. He's going in for the 50-50. He is going in. Oh, Psycho going back to take his heals because I think he has all of his heals. Oh, that's unlucky. Oh, yeah, he wants to get in. Did he get the floor? Oh, the nice big pump. Fat 140. It is neck and neck, boys. Guys, neck and neck. So intense. Ooh, the 160 banger pump. Oh, he got the wall. Oh, he whiffed. No. I thought he had him right there. He's just trying to get the walls. He got it. Oh, I don't think his gunshot. That's unlucky. Oh, I went for the flick. He did not hit. Oh, in the box! In the box! Oh, controller! Oh no! Psycho is so low. Siron's gonna have the heal advantage. This is so intense. Neck and neck. Our next video, guys, might be even another grinder video. Grinder, Zone Wars, and box PvP, so make sure to stay tuned for that. Oh, he got the wall? What is he gonna do? Oh, Zion recognizes it might not be the best position. He tries to disengage. Psycho sneaking around. Oh, the fat pump! Oh, Psycho with the good sneaking around. Oh my god.
Oh, what? Controller player! That is a controller player! I knew it!
Oh, nice piece control. Oh, he's gonna edit? Aw, Siron has all those walls. Psycho might want to disengage here, not gonna lie. I think that's exactly what he's about to do. Never mind. Nope. He's coming back. I think he took Siron's neck for a little bit. Oh, Siron with the piece. Oh my god, the size pump. Oh, he might be in trouble. Oh yeah. That edit right there is so hard on controller. Literally 4-4. Whoever wins this, guys, this is all about it. Either Siron wins and joins Team Hydro. Siron either wins and joins Team Hydro, or Psycho ties it up and takes it to realistics. It is really all on the line here, boys. All on the line. This is so intense. It's all on the line. Oh my god. They're definitely thinking about it, I can tell. That might have not been the best play. Siron is playing really passive. I don't think he really knows where Psycho is anymore, to be honest with you. None of this is all of his stairs is. That's not, oh no. He doesn't know. He doesn't know.
Cause I heard him first. I said, hold on. I said, hold up. Wait a minute.
He doesn't know. He doesn't know! Psycho with the tie-up! Let's go. Okay, guys, we're gonna go into realistics, okay?
Alright.
Back to hub. Do not start it. Good luck. I forgot. Y'all can't hear me. Good luck. Tell me when you start.
Oh, we started.
Guys, put your predictions down below. Who do you think is gonna win? Right now, who do you think is gonna win? Oh. Early game, I hate it. The 50-50, they both whiff. 2 shots. Siron definitely has the maths here. My god. So intense. So intense. Oh, the controller. Oh. Oh. So low. Ooh, Siron with the moves.
Oh yeah, that's
okay.
right, I left. I don't have last emote.
I bet you this would be a different story if we had pump shotguns, but no. There's no more good 50-50s. It's all just tax brain now. Literally. Oh, he took his neck, but it was the sacrifice for Fort. Oh, he's taking a launch pad. See where that's going. Oh, he's going for the breakdown. Siron could get this. He might not want to shoot to destroy his cover. Oh, he's getting the breakdown. How much fall damage will he take?
Oh my god.
The controller player. Oh my god. Hog champ right now. Oh my god. If he wins, he joins Team Hydro. Everything is on the line right here.
Probably have mats.
Psycho is playing it really safe. Also, Siron is playing really safe. They both really want to join Team Hydro and have been grinding. So, they're really both making these decisions. Go. No one by 2. This is so intense, man. Siron is waiting for Psycho to make a move. Psycho is waiting for Siron. He's going down for a break now. Maybe a bait. Oh, he took fall damage. Oh no. He might controller player him. He does not know where he is. Siron might have just made a bad decision. Oh, controller. Siron. Oh, if he can clutch this, he just needs one good tap shot. He has so bad loot compared to Psycho. Psycho has all purple attack, everything. Max. Stuff that Siron does not have. He is playing it really safe. Going for the breakdown. He wants to go for the 50-50. Oh, that's not his. He might get edit play no match. Oh my god. He has to win this 50-50 if he wants to join Team Hydro. Oh, he's using another shotgun now. He might know.
I have the worst loot and no mats. This is terrible.
If you win this, you join Team Hydro, Siron. Oh, he still has
And
shields?
he has
He has shields! Oh no! Oh no, that might be a GG's. He might have to... Oh, he could make an edit play. Careful, if you want to win this. He barely has the max. No!
What am I supposed to do?
Guys, whoever wins this next round joins Team Hydro.
If I get Scout's loot again, I'm gonna cry.
Oh my god, Psycho's loot. Oh, nice reload. Oh, did he get the cone? Oh, that's not his cone! He didn't recognize. Oh, so intense. Whoever wins this joins Team Hydro. Oh, who got the wall? It's so intense right now. Whoever wins joins Team Hydro. Oh my god. Oh, he hit them. I think it's a little bit of a fair trade. They both hit for around 30-ish, I guess. Question is, who has more shields? Oh, he goes for the edit play. Reloading his shotgun. What will he do, Psycho? Needs to get a mini off. Doesn't know. Oh! What a great tag from Psycho. He's going in trying to control her. He knows he needs to get that controller off. Did he get it? No. Oh, he needs to get in with the S. Oh, 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 he is so low. Cyron needs to get in. Needs to get in the box before he can heal off. Before he can get the medkit off. Oh, he's deciding. That might actually be a 200 IQ play. Dropping because he thinks he might be high. That might be a good play. Oh no, Cyron's not pushing. That's a big mistake. That is a big mistake. Big mistake. Oh, nice crack! Oh, his gun. Oh, oh! Psycho joins Team Hydro. GG's. Psycho, you will be joining Team Hydro. Congratulations.